Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Okay. Alright. So it is right here. 1 second. I will locate the file. Alright. So I have located the file. Now what I will do is I'll just drag that Excelty to this place. Right. So you see it says successfully uploaded. It doesn't bother at this point if my file has problems or not. Okay, to save this. Right. Done. Now what I have to do is I have to go to my EIB and I have to attach that Excelty to this particular integration. I will go to Edit, and then in the Transform section, I will go to Custom Transformation, and I will select EIB Custom Transform. Right, this is the Excelty that I have attached. Right. And let me change the output file name also to CSV. Sorry, CSV. Okay. Right. And click OK. So let's see if this works. Right. Let's see if we have done everything correctly. So we go to Integration and Launch. Okay. Let me use the new file name. Determine value at runtime and next. Okay. Right. So if I scroll down, you will see that it is using a custom transformation. And this is my Excelty that it is going to use for transformation. So if I keep running it, it completed. So apparently there was no issue with my Excelty. Let me open this. Let me save this first. And then let me open it up. Alright. Great. This is the output. This is my output. Right. Looks exactly the same as the other one. The only difference being, in this one, I have not put the number of rows at the end. Right. There is no such record. If you can do that as well. But now let me show you one quick trick. Let's say I do not want the length of service worker. I only want to the compensation grade, or maybe I want them in a different order. Employee, then supervisor, then job profile, then compensation grade. I do not want location. I do not want length of service. Can I do that in a custom report transformation? Yes, I can, but I have to change the custom report. Here I don't have to touch the custom report. I can do it straight away from this accessibility. Let's say I don't want the location. Right. And I don't want the length of service worker. Okay, I remove it from the header, and I will remove it from the mapping as well. So I'm removing the location and what else? Length of service worker. I have removed the length of service worker now. Okay. And what if you want this job profile before the supervisor? Okay, so employee pipe job profile, pipe supervisor right. So just let me move this one as well. So the job profile will move before. Okay, so here it is. Let me make it a little bit pretty. So the job profile is now appearing right after the worker. Okay, and it is before the supervisor. You see, just by making some minor tweaks here in this particular file, I would be able to change the way the file appears right. You see, I could remove a couple of fields, and I moved around the sequence of the fields right. Let me save this and do it one more time. So now I have to upload the Excelty again, right? Because I have changed the Excelty. So I will edit Excelty attachment transformation. Okay, I will edit Excelty attachment transformation. So this will allow me to edit the existing one. I will delete it, okay? And then I will add it back. Give me a moment. Let me locate it again. Alright, so I have it again. I will put it up like this. Everything else remains the same. Now let me launch this integration one more time. Integration launch. Okay, determine value at runtime and it is next. Alrighty, so now let's see if we have this data and how this data looks. Okay, in 5 seconds it was able to process it. Okay. Let me open up the file one more time. Here it is. Employee job profile, supervisor and compensation rate. Easily. I was able to change the output format without changing the report. I could remove a couple of fields. I could reorder the sequence of the fields very easily. Like I said, the Excelty transformation is more versatile, it is more powerful, but still it is not something that it can do. Only Excelty transformation can do, and a calculated field and custom report transformation cannot do. It is not something like that. It is just that, which one you are more comfortable with, which one you are more familiar with, and which one the customer wants you to do. But integration consultants that typically prefer using the custom report transformation the custom transformation, whereas the functional consultants historically have preferred the custom report transformation. The basic thing. The basic trick is here in the Excelty. If you are familiar with it, if you are comfortable with it, of course, it is much more flexible. You can do a lot of things with it. But yeah, it needs a while getting used to. The first and the foremost thing you have to remember anyway, otherwise it will never work, is you have to update the namespace. This namespace would be, as per the namespace of your custom report, this entire thing. So you have to make it as per your custom report. You know why? Let me show you. This is the output, XML, isn't it? Do you see that anywhere? Here is the namespace in that report. Output XML file. Isn't it? So this has to match with the one in your Excelty. Otherwise, your Excelty will not pick up the right file to be processed. Okay, so that's why the namespace is so important. So you have to put it here as part of your Excelty. This is number 1. And number 2 is try to make sure that the header that you are creating and the details that you are creating are in sync. Okay, otherwise,
Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.